And what about social media? Where does it fit? It fits in every stage of a customer relationship, as does mobile, right? Both of those are clearly part of building digital relationships today. Well, I see some people out there have my haircut, you know, a little older. You're probably like me, you're just sitting around waiting for Facebook to go away. But it's not going away. With 450 million people, it's staying, right? And it's changed the world of business to consumer, the brand talking to the customer, from B to B to B to we, right? The brand, the customer, and the community. Remember what Emerson said, if you build a better mousetrap, the world will be a path to your door. Well, my friend Carl Wilgus, who runs travel in the Poconos Mountains, said to me, you know, Terry, when you think about it in terms of social media, it's not about building a better mousetrap. It's about more pathways. It's about building more pathways into your business with social media, right? And so what Carl has done is gotten rid of 2 of his visitors centers and taken the employees and put them on social media to build more pathways to the Poconos Mountains. Here's social media used by the Inc. 500 companies. And you would imagine, right, Facebook #1, Twitter #2. But here's what they say are successful. Look at that. Video, #1. Message boards, blogs, and Facebook. So it's not just Facebook and Twitter. And video, you know, you can really do it yourself. I mean, it doesn't have to be Cecil B. DeMille. There's some good video guys here. One of them has a huge camera, one of them has a small camera, right? I tell you, for the web, you can really do a lot of this yourself. The chief product officer at Google said the other day, at Google, we learn time and time again that our users know more than we do. Our users know more than we do. So listen to what they're saying, and that will shape your insights, which you can then turn into influence to influence your product future, right? And social media adds to this. It's social media, Facebook, Twitter is about creating a conversation. It's about convincing people inside this company that social media is not a monologue, which marketing used to be. It's a dialogue. It's talking back and forth and learning from the customer, right? Because you can't control what people are going to say about you on the web, but you can be a good listener. And that's a really good thing for agents to do, is to listen to what people are saying about them on the web, to read the reviews, to understand, and then reform, change their company. And people say, particularly in small business, I just did 18 speeches for a large bank all around the country to small business. And all those people are saying, well, I have a lot of Facebook friends. What do I do with them, right? Guess what? 84% of your Facebook friends are already customers. And you know what they want? They want offers. And not just deals. They want to know about what's new, about what's happening in your company, about what you're doing, because they're customers and they're friends. And what are they going to do? They're going to tell their other friends. So the idea is to say, I've got 1,000 friends here. What do I want to tell them about my business? Right? They want offers and deals. Best Buy, here's another kind of conversation. You know, a customer comes online and says, do you have this product? And they're saying, it's going to be an older model. Sadly, I'm not seeing newer models on our site. Wow, what honesty. That's great. Or can I get a disk drive that'll work with a Mac? Yes, you can purchase any drive you like and format it for a Mac. What a great kind of sales conversation taking place 24/7, anytime you want. I met the chief listening officer of Kodak the other day, and she said, hey, I learned that customers love the new Z18 camera, but it needs to be waterproof, it needs a better mic, it needs a USB connector. Learn by listening. This is a little company called Bow Ties in Vermont. They were listening on Twitter, and in the Twitter stream, somebody was talking about a bow tie on another website they couldn't get. So Bow Ties said, over here, we have it, and they got themselves a customer. Another thing they're doing is that their ties that they make take about 6 months. They have to order them. They're made offshore. So in July, they put up their Christmas designs and let their customers vote on what they want to buy at Christmas time. And then they manufacture them, and at Christmas time, they have a much better targeting than they would get with some buyer, right? They know what the customer actually might want. And it really is all about a dialogue. At Gatorade, they use Salesforce.com to create a mission control. So they listen to all forms of social media, blogs, Facebook, Twitter, search, 24/7. Sometimes they jump in, sometimes they hang back, but boy, do they learn. So find a way, if you do nothing else with social media, listen to what's going on.